You may be wondering, is it worth hiring an SEO expert? Well, it depends. So let's talk about that today so that you can figure out if it's the right time in your business to hire an SEO expert. But real quick, let me introduce myself. I'm Stephanie, your go-to website girl. I'm here for all things website related, from website build-outs, website updates, to SEO optimization for your website. I've been in the business now for over 15 years, and I get excited every time I meet a new business owner, learn about their business, and work with them on getting them more visible online through a professional website that ranks organically on Google. First off, when does it make sense to DIY your SEO? If you're just starting out, or you're kind of small and you're just getting your feet wet with getting online, forming an online presence, honestly, it's not going to hurt a thing for you to DIY some SEO strategies. There's a lot that you can learn on your own and try to optimize your website so that you get a basic understanding of what SEO is, what works, what doesn't, along with utilizing free SEO tools that are available online. If this is you, I actually have a free guide that I put together. It's called SEO Simplified. It's a great starting point to help you understand what is SEO and why you need it. So if that is you, if you want my free guide, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Okay, so now let's talk about when it makes sense to hire an SEO expert. Some of the key signs are, first of all, your time. If you're a business owner and you might know what you need to do, or you know that SEO is important, but you never have time to get it done, that's a sign it's time to hire someone. Next, if your website's growing and you realize, hey, I need to make sure that every page on my website is performing at its peak and is fully optimized so that you get the most bang for your buck out of your website, it's probably time to hire an SEO expert in that scenario. Another situation might be when your competition increases. Say you realize that you're not ranking where you want to, but your competitors are. It's probably time at that point to hire an SEO expert who can do a competitor analysis and see what exactly is holding your website back and help you make strategic changes. Next, when guesswork feels risky. At this point, you can't risk losing all the credibility, all the search engine optimization, all the organic search traffic that is already coming to your site. You don't want to lose that. So you need expert eyes on your website that will be able to see, okay, this is working, but this is where we need to tweak, or this is where we need to test. For example, if you go through a redesign and your About page changes from the About Us that's tacked on to the end of your URL to About, but you do not put a redirect in place so that that About-Us from your previous website's URL forwards on to the new page, that new About Us page now looks like a brand new page on the website, and you're losing the opportunities to keep that credibility that was already established on Google from your previous About page. So that's a situation where changes on your website could affect your SEO, and it's just too risky. You don't want to lose what you've already built on Google. Now, if you're saying, yes, this is me, I'm ready to hire someone to help me with my SEO. That is actually a service that I offer, and I'm going to leave a link below where you can book a free 15-minute discovery call with me, and we can talk about what's working for your website, what's not working for your website, and make a plan on how to move forward so that you can see real results in your search engine optimization. All right, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Have a good one.